Speaking English is a skill, one of those skills which can be honed quite easily. May it be speaking or writing, you should have proper knowledge in grammar. You might as well skip a little formula for grammar while having conversation, but you should be perfect in it for your exam, PPT, drafting, presentation and documentation. If you need a right place to learn English grammar, you might as well be a student, a teacher or anyone. This is the right place for you. I have already covered some parts of the determiners, voice change and parts of speech, including noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, preposition, etc. with very clean and detailed explanation of basic fundamental on my YouTube channel, and a lot more is yet to come. I welcome you all to the Easy Learning classes. I am Umarenu Mahapatra. I will dive deep into the English fundamental classes and make it easy for you to learn English grammar through the YouTube channel. So subscribe to my channel to be part of this family and learn English grammar very easily.